Hi everyone, Hannah here. This is part 2 tutorial for embellishing the cover of our scrapbook album for the January box. So I am taking a chipboard clock and I want to fill in the inside, so I'm taking one of the journaling cards and just kind of tracing a circle in there and cutting it out. That I'm going to glue it down and then glue the clock down around it. Then I have a couple of chipboard hands and I'm going to put a brad in there to put it together, glue that down, and then I will be embellishing it with a stained doily that I had, paper doily I stained with some alcohol ink and embellished with some flowers, the chipboard pieces, just really trying to dress the cover up. That you are all enjoying this video and that it is very helpful to you in embellishing your cover for your scrapbook album. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact me. You can make a comment on the video. You can email me at hannah@danagirlsdesigns.com or message me on any of my social media platforms. Thanks again for watching and have a great day. Bye.